Kevala means without any motive, without any desire for material sense gratification. So, the most intelligent class man takes to this process, kevalaya bhaktya, kichit kevalaya bhakta, and that kevala, how it is understood that this man has taken only pure unalloyed devotion. That is also clearly stated. Vasudeva Parayana. They do not know anything else except Krishna. Vasudeva means Krishna. Vasudeva Sarvamiti. The Mahatma Vasudeva. That Mahatma who does not know except Krishna. He knows everything, but he does not care for anything. He only cares for Krishna. How Krishna will be satisfied? How Krishna will be pleased?